Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually start making $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about how you can start or how you can make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Yes, it's possible. A lot of people are doing it, including myself. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I don't have a really big YouTube channel. So how come I'm profitable, right? By the time I'm recording this video, I'm not even monetizing my channel. Okay, so that's something that I want you to take into consideration. It's first of all, if you really want to make this happen, you do not need to have a massive audience, okay? Right? You just need to choose the right product, follow the process, right? Have a system in place, and you're gonna get the results that you want, okay? This is gonna be a video that is gonna change. If you decide to take action, it's gonna change your life forever. Okay, so first of all, let's say that you want to make $1,000 per day. That's your goal, right? Your goal is to make $1,000 per day. Okay, you have different ways. The very first way is that you can sell, let's say as an example, right, a $1 product. Okay, you're gonna be selling a $1 product. You need to sell it 1,000 times per day, right, if you want to make it happen. Or you can sell just one, but this time it's just one product that it's the value, it's $1,000, or the commission that you're gonna receive is gonna be $1,000. Okay, so these are the two different ways. This is what we call low ticket commissions, and this is what we call high ticket commissions. Okay, a lot of people are scared of high ticket commissions because first of all, they do not believe that they can do it. They do not believe that people are going to buy this type of product from them, and this is the reason actually why I did not start with this kind of program at the beginning, because I was like, okay, my YouTube channel is super small. I don't have an audience like super big. I'm not a quote-unquote influencer. I don't have a huge email list. How come there is someone who is going to invest on a high-end ticket product? Hey, so I thought, I was like, okay, because my quote-unquote value is this, people are going to be buying this. It's going to be way easier, blah, blah, blah. No. Okay, first of all, you need to trust in yourself. Okay, everybody has value to deliver. We all have our own experience. We are all walking our own journey. So you need to understand that at the end of the day, it doesn't matter which side of product or service you are promoting. People are gonna buy from you if they know you, they like you, and they trust you. That's it. It doesn't matter if it's a $1 product. It doesn't matter if it's a $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 product. The other thing that you need to understand is that if you cannot afford, let's say a $10,000 product, it's you. Okay, there is someone else who can afford it. So you need to have it clear. Sometimes we don't have the mindset. Sometimes we don't have the right mindset, and that's okay. It's part of the process. Okay. But let me use this example, and I use it pretty often. Let's say that you're a realtor, right? You have a realtor and you are selling apartments. The price range of your apartments, it's, I don't know, between 250 to $500,000. Okay, 250,000 to $500,000. That's your price range. And there is someone who knock at your door, and he or she is looking for a penthouse. He or she is willing to invest, I don't know, $10 million, right? Are you going to offer that person an apartment, a regular apartment, knowing that that person is willing to invest that amount of money? Hell no. And the other thing is that if in your portfolio you do not have a penthouse, that person is not gonna downgrade, and buy an apartment. Okay, because he or she, the person who is looking for the penthouse, they have a different mindset. Okay, they want to feel more comfortable. Maybe they need more space. Maybe they just want to have fancy things, luxurious things, and that's okay. You are not going to offer them a regular apartment. They are not going to take it. They know what they want, they know what they need, and they're going to buy it. Okay, the same happens with the digital products, in this case with affiliate marketing. If you have a high ticket product, right, and someone is looking to get something else, okay, because their business, their mindset, everything is on a different level, they are not gonna take that low ticket product because they know that they are looking for something extra. Maybe they want to join a mastermind, maybe they want to have a coach who's gonna help them, so it's exactly the same. If you are not offering this kind of products, you are the one who are losing the sale. Okay, you are the one who is losing the sale because someone else is offering these products. Okay, and they're gonna buy it sooner rather than later. It's not gonna be for you because you're not offering it, but someone else is having the sale. And by the way, if you want to learn like more in detail about this, check out the very first link in the description. That's the course, the training that I take, that I actually changed my mindset, and it teach me how to go ahead with high ticket commissions. But let's keep with the video right now. Okay, system wise, it's actually gonna be the same system if you're using or if you're promoting low ticket products as if you're promoting high ticket products. Okay, system wise, it's going to be exactly the same. You need to drive traffic. It can be paid traffic, it can be free traffic. You need to have an opt-in page. And by the way, if you're promoting a low ticket product and you are selling the customers, the visitors, the leads directly to the sales page, you are wasting a lot of money. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. Okay, so you need to capture people's emails, right? Then you're gonna have a thank you page in which you're gonna deliver whatever you offer as a lead magnet, right? And I usually have a bridge page. It works great, and then I send them to a sales page. Okay, so the system is gonna be exactly the same. It's gonna be exactly the same system, and of course you need to be emailing them, sending them email. Okay, sending at least 7 or 10 emails, right, offering this product, offering value. That's really, really important. Hey, if they don't buy that product, you need to have other products. Okay, but remember, always send valuable information. People connect with people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay, so the system is exactly the same. But if you are promoting this $1 product, and let's say that you want to go with paid traffic, it's going to be harder to break even. Chances are that at the beginning you are going to lose a lot of money, right? But if you are offering the high ticket product, you know that it's going to be way easier to break even. It's going to be way easier to be profitable, although not everyone is going to buy here right away. And by the way, the conversion rate is going to be exactly the same. There is no one or the other. The conversion rate is going to be exactly the same. The average conversion rate, if I'm wrong, don't quote me on this, it's between 3 to 5%. Okay, the average sales, this is the one that I'm talking about. The conversion rate is between 3 to 5%. It doesn't matter what's the price of the product. The other thing that you need into consideration is that, hey, if you really want to make $1,000 with just a $1 product, you will need to get tons of traffic. Okay, your email list needs to be really big because you need to be making at least 1,000 sales per day so you can make $1,000. And with this one, you just need one. That's it. Okay. Again, what stop most people to do this and to promote the high ticket product is their mindset. Okay, we are all here and we all can do it. Again, let me show you. By the time I'm recording this video, look how small is my YouTube channel, but I'm profitable because I decide to go ahead and do this strategy. Again, it's actually going to be exactly the same system. If you have a blog, right, and you're writing blog posts, hey, it doesn't matter if you're promoting low ticket or high ticket products, you are going to be writing articles. The articles are going to be there forever. If you're like me, you're recording YouTube videos, it's going to take the same amount of time, the same amount of effort to record these kind of videos. Also, if you have a Facebook group, if you deliver valuable information, it's going to be exactly the same. I'm not doing something special. You are not going to be doing something special, but there is going to be a huge difference. Again, if you want to learn more about this, check out the very first link in the description. It's going to be my #1 recommendation if you really want to master this. Don't forget, you need to take action. Okay, you need to take action. Believe that you can do this and it's going to happen. If you find some golden nuggets on this video, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is it for this video and I see you on the next video.